Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a pull hook golf swing. This common shot occurs when your club travels on an inside-out path with a club face that is too closed at impact. A key area to examine is your grip. Many golfers with a pull hook have a grip that is too strong, leading to an overly closed club face. Try weakening your lead hand by rotating it slightly counterclockwise, perhaps 1/4 of a turn, to encourage a more neutral club face position. Your setup and alignment are crucial for correcting a pull hook. Often, golfers inadvertently aim right, then compensate by pulling the ball left. Verify that your shoulders, hips, and feet are all aligned parallel to your target line. Also, check your ball position. For irons, it should be slightly forward of center, and for wedges, closer to the center. A balanced posture with a slight knee flex and even weight distribution will also help. To truly fix a pull hook, you need to adjust your swing path and release. Instead of an inside-out path, aim for a more neutral or slightly outside-in path. This helps prevent the club from coming too far from the inside. Concentrate on a neutral club face release, where your wrists don't over-rotate through impact. Visualize hitting the outside of the golf ball, which encourages a straighter ball flight and reduces the likelihood of a hook. Consistent practice is essential for ingraining these changes. Utilize alignment sticks on the ground to ensure your swing path is correct and your aim is true. Practice half swings, focusing intently on keeping the club face square through impact, which helps build muscle memory. Remember, a pull hook is fixable with dedication. Also, for a different kind of clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvement on the course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.